properties of rational numbers in previous class. Which properties we learned in previous class? Totally 5 properties we learned. Commutative, closure, first property is closure, later commutative, later associative, identity element, inverse. These 5 properties we completed. Now we will learn the distributivity of multiplication over addition. After in previous 5 properties, we used only one symbol at a time. Binary operator, plus, minus, multiply, division. In those 4 operators, only one operator we used at a time. One operator we used at a time. So distributivity of multiplication over addition. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay. Now, what is the distributive property? Okay, if A comma B comma C are rationals, if A comma B comma C are rationals, then A multiply B plus C equal to A multiply B plus C equal to, we can write multiply symbol also here, A multiply B plus C equal to in this property we use 2 symbols, multiplication plus at a time. In previous properties only one symbol we used, but here we use 2 symbols, 2 operators, multiply, addition. Addition means we can use addition. Here subtraction means minus sign will be. Now A into B, AB minus B AC, A into C, AC. This is the distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, if you take it, wait here, what is the symbol here? That symbol only 100 here, plus which symbol is it? That symbol only 100. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C, A into B plus A into C. Here we will take an example. Let A equal to, here also same model only I want to consider, because for understanding purpose only I am explaining example, not given in our textbook. A, B, C, 3 are like fractions, like rationals. Okay, like rationals I am taking, right? What is the difference between the fraction and rational numbers? Fraction number is always positive only. Fraction number is always positive. There is no negative fractions. Rational means those should be either positive or negative. We have negative numbers and positive numbers in P by Q form. Those are called rationals. Fraction means only positive numbers. Those are in P by Q form. Okay. Here I take in 1 by 2, B equal to 3 by 2, C equal to 7 by 2. I take in these numbers A, B, C. Without taking like fractions also we will do, no problem that one, but it will take little bit of so much time. Okay. Otherwise we can take here 4 only. 4 only I am taking. How we can do? Addition we will do here. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 2. One unlike fraction I take in here. One unlike fraction I take in here. First I check A into B plus C. A into B plus C. A into B plus C means A value how much here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiply. B value how much? First I can calculate this part, LHS part, equal to before part I want to calculate. Okay, now B value 3 by 4. B value 3 by 4. C value 7 by 2. C value 7 by 2. Okay, now 1 by 2 multiply. Okay, these two fractions I want to add. While adding means take LCM, one method. Another method is cross multiplication. Cross multiplication also we will do. Okay, otherwise we can take LCM addition also we can do. LCM is 4. That one I have to follow, but I want to do here cross multiplication. 3 into 2 plus 7 into 4. 3 into 2 plus 7 into 4 whole divided by 4 into 2. 4 into 2. Now 1 by 2 multiply 3 2 is 6. 4 7 is 28. 4 2 is 8. 1 by 2 into 28 plus 6. 28 plus 6 is 34. 34 by 8. 34 by 8. Now multiply these. 1 into 34. While multiplying fractions, one thing remember, multiply numerator with numerator, numerator with numerator, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, denominator with denominator, multiply. While multiplying two fractions, we have to remember, multiply means multiplication of fraction means multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 1 into 34 means 1 into 34, 2 into e. Now is there any cancellation possible? Cancel, otherwise you can leave. Okay, for checking only we are doing, so both will get the same answer. 1 34 1 is 34, 8 2 is 16. This is the LHS part. This is the LHS. Now go for the RHS part. What is the RHS part here? This is the RHS part. Equal to other part we can call RHS part. What is the RHS part here? AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Now AB plus AC means A value 1 by 2 multiply B value 3 by 4 plus A value 1 by 2 7 by 2. A value into B value plus A value into C value. A value into C value. Now multiply this. 1 into 3 3, 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8 plus 1 into 7 7, 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4. Now we can LCM addition. We can do the LCM addition or cross multiply. I want to do here cross multiplication. Now 3 into 4 plus 7 into 8 by 8 into 4. 8 into 4. 7 3 4 is 12. 8 7 is 56 by 4 8 is 30. 4 8 is 32. Now add is 56 plus 12, 68 by 32. Here compare these two answers. Those having same answer? No. We have to cancel. Okay, we have to maintain 16 here. Okay, 2 16 years with the 2 table cancel. 2 16 years, 2 3 years, 2 4 years. That means 34 by 16. Actually, you have to write the standard form, but here only equal results only you are getting. So 34 by 16 equal to 34 by 16. Both are same. That means both are equal. Whenever distributivity multiplication over addition means A into B plus C equal to AB minus A plus AC. Sometimes they will ask like this also. A into B plus C equal to AB minus AC. AB minus AC. Then they ask means we will not get the equal result. Here plus sign means here plus sign you should have. Okay, which sign numbers are here? Same sign numbers will be presented. Then only we will get an equal result. Otherwise, we will not get a same answer. Okay, similarly, distributive multiplication over subtraction. Distributive of multiplication over subtraction. That means A into B plus B minus C by using subtraction. By using subtraction equal to AB minus AC. AB minus AC. If you are using here minus means we will get a minus here. If you are using plus means here we will get a plus. In our 8th class textbook we have sums related to this only. Rarely they will ask me like that. Distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, now we will start the example sums related to the chapter. In page number 17. In page number 17, question is very important model. Page number 17, example 11, example 1. Example 1, simplify 2 by 5, 3 by 7, plus or minus 6 by 5, plus or minus 13 by 7. This is very important model. In exercise also similar model only there. What is the question? Simplify. Simplify means what is the addition is there means addition, or subtraction is there means subtraction, or multiplication. Any one we have to do, we will get the answer. Simplification means solve all the problem like that question. Okay. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 5 plus or minus 13 by 7. Okay, first write solution given. What is the given here? 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus or minus 6 by 5 plus or minus 13 by 7 is given. Remove the bracket. While simplification compulsory, you have to remove the bracket. Okay, 2 by 5 does not have bracket. 3 by 7 does not have bracket. Now it is having the bracket 6 by 5. Bracket before or after? Before and inside. Opposite side means after removing the bracket we will get a minus sign. This have to remember. Both bracket before and inside having same sign is after removing the bracket we will get a plus sign. Otherwise bracket before and inside opposite sign is there. Bracket before and inside opposite sign is there. We will get a minus sign. We will get a minus sign. Bracket before and inside same sign is there. Plus or minus. After removing the bracket, we will get a plus sign. Bracket inside outside opposite sign is there. One is plus, one is minus. One is minus, one is plus. After removing the bracket, we will get a minus sign. Minus sign. That means which sign we will get here? Can you say? After removing the bracket for this term, which sign we will get a plus or minus? Minus only? Yes, minus only. Minus 6 by 5. Plus or minus? Same or opposite? Opposite. Opposite. By removing the opposite sign of the bracket, we will get a minus 13 by 7. Now, rearrange the terms. Rearrange the like fraction. Rearrange the like fractions. Rearrange the similar fractions, like fractions, like rations. Rearrange like rations. Okay, rearranging without rearranging also take all the denominators one consideration and take LCM. We can do that means another model. If you follow that model, it will take so much calculation, so much time. Okay, to avoid that time duration, we will rearrange the terms. Rearrange the terms. Which terms we have to rearrange? Like rationals. That means which having the denominators are same. Those we have to group those. Now 2 by 5 I have written here. 2 by 5, denominator 5 related. You see, minus 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5. Next 3 by 7. 3 by 7 minus 13 by 7. Minus 13 by 7. Okay, these two are like fractions. These two are like fractions. Frame a group. Okay, whenever like fractions are there, denominator write 5 here. Whenever like fractions addition or subtraction is there, how we can complete? Whenever like fractions are there, we can add or subtract. We can add or subtract numerators. Okay, by writing denominator one time only. Okay, don't add these. Only these only you can add or subtract. Okay, 2 minus 6 plus. These two also like fractions only. Like fractions means the denominators are same. Then only you can say like fractions. Okay, denominators are same here. 7 only. 3 minus 13. 3 minus 13. 3 minus 13. Okay, now 6, 2 minus 6 means how much? 2 minus 6 means 6 minus 2. We will get 4. Begin by having, by closing the minus sign, 6 is bigger. 6 before we have minus sign. So minus 4 by 5. Here plus 30 minus 3 minus 10 by 7. Minus 10 by 7. Here we have two signs, plus or minus. So remove one sign by following this, removing the bracket method. That means I will write my bracket and remove the bracket. Okay, minus 4 by 5. Minus or plus means plus or minus means minus 1. Minus 10 by 7. Minus 10 by 7. Now cross multiply. Now cross multiply that one. Okay, minus 4 into 7 minus 10 into 5 by 5 into 7. Minus 4 into 7 minus 10 into 5 by 5 into 7. Minus 4 into 7. Minus 4 into 7 means plus into minus minus 4 7 is 28. Minus 10 into 5 minus 50 by 5 7 is 35. Both having the same sign. Whenever without brackets are both having the same sign, add the numbers. 50 plus 28, 78. That is minus. There we can write by 35. We can write a 35. Okay. This is the example 1. Next we go for the example 3. Page number 18. Page number 18. Page number 18, example 3. Find 2 by 5 multiply minus 1 by 9 plus 23 by 180 minus 1 by 9 into 3 by 4. 1 by 9 into 3 by 4. This one we want to simplify. Okay, directly you can multiply these two and these two we can multiply. Later you can take LCM. That is one model. Without following that model, another model we can follow here. What happens? Okay, if you observe here, what is the given here? Given 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 9 plus 23 by 180 minus 1 by 9 into 3 by 5. While doing simplification, is there any easy method is possible for that one to apply? Any easy way we have to identify. Okay, here we can apply distributive property. How we can apply it? Okay, if you observe here, this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. Totally 3 terms are there. In these two rounded terms, which is common there? Don't consider minus, become minus. Okay, both having minus 1. Minus 1 by 9 is common there. Yes or no? Minus 1 by 9 is common. Okay, those we have to rearrange. Rearrange the terms. Rearrange the terms. That means 2 by 5 multiply minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 multiply 3 by 4 plus 23 by 180. 23 by 180. In these two, which one we can take common? Minus 9. Here we have minus 9. 1 by minus 1 by 9. Here we have minus 1 by 9. We can take minus 1 by 9 as take common. Minus 1 by 9. Then what will be remaining? By removing this one, we will get a 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Okay, minus 1 by 9. Move after, which one is remaining here? Plus 3 by 4. Plus 3 by 4. Plus 3 by 4. Plus 3 by 4. Next plus 23 by 180. Okay, how to remember that we have to apply here distributive property, then some very easily we can complete it. Now we will do the calculation. 1 by 9, 1 by 9. Okay, now cross multiply this. LCM addition also we can do cross multiply this. Okay, cross multiply 2 4 years 8 plus 3 5 years 15, 5 4 years 20 plus 23 by 180. Okay, now simplify this one again. By simplifying, what we can get? 1 by 9 minus 1 by, don't forget minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Okay, 8 by 7, 8 plus 15, how much? 23. 23 by 20 plus 23 by 180. Now these two fractions are multiplying. By multiplication, numerator with the numerator multiply. Minus 1 into 23 minus 23. 9 into 20. 9 20 yes 180 plus 23 by 180. Okay, both have 7 minus 7 0. 10 minus 10 0. 23 by 180 plus minus 23 by 180. By subtract these two, what we can get? 0. Okay, if you follow the distributive property, very easily we can complete this one. Otherwise, we can do another method also we can do, but it will take a little bit difficult and it will take so much time. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, next example 4. Example 4. Multiply okay, this is the question. What the question? Multiply the reciprocals of minus 9 by 2, 50 by 5 by 18 and add and the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 to the product of the result. That means these reciprocals we have to multiply. Again we have to add. Again we have to add the multiply the reciprocals of minus 9 by 2 5 by 8. First we have to multiply these. Later we can continue the remaining portion. At a time we can't understand. What are the reciprocals? Okay, write the reciprocal for those two fractions and multiply. Okay, solution. Reciprocal of minus 9 by 2 5 by 18. Okay, for these two fractions at a time I am writing reciprocals. 9 by 9 is 9 by 2. Reciprocal means just reverse the fraction without changing the sign. Minus 2 by 9. For this reciprocal 18 by 5. Reciprocals of minus 9 by 2 comma 5 by 18 and minus 2 by 9 5 by 18. Multiply them. Product multiply of reciprocals. Multiply of reciprocals equal to minus 2 by 9 into 18 by 5. Minus 2 by 9 into 18 by 5. Here, numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator, multiply. Minus 2 by 9, minus 2 by 9 means we can multiply 18 for the 2. we can multiply 5 for the 9. Numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator multiply. Now cancel this. 9 1 years, 9 2 years, 9 1 years, 9 2 years. That means we can get a minus 2 into 2 by 1 into 5. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. What I done here? By written reciprocals for the 9 by 2 and 5 by 8. 18. 5 by 18. For those reciprocals, I multiplied here. By multiplying, we got a minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Here one sentence we forgotten and add that sentence we forgot here and add next sentence. One part we completed and add the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5. Okay, which product we are getting? Which product we are getting? For that we have to add the reciprocal of additive inverse of minus 4 by 5. Then now additive inverse of now alpha sum okay reciprocal product plus additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 as per the sum. What is sum? Add reciprocal product and additive inverse of minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Okay, reciprocal product, what do we get here? Minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 plus additive inverse of any number is given to you. Additive inverse means just to change the sign. Multiplicative inverse means to reverse the fraction. Multiplicative inverse means reverse the fraction. Additive inverse means just to change the sign. Plus given means minus, minus given so plus. Here minus given. Then it will be plus 4 by 5. Additive inverse. Now remove the bracket. By removing we can understand. One is minus, one is plus. So we will get an answer 0. Otherwise you can write simplification. Minus 4 by 5 plus or plus 4 by 5 that is equal to 0. This is also a very easy sum and important. Next one we can start the exercise 1.1.